Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am on my way down to Miami to celebrate my birthday. Woo! Yeah, so we're going to Miami for the weekend to go have fun, to enjoy the beach, eat a lot of good food, and
about to leave.
party.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Do it again. Oh my god, please be careful with the stairs. What is he doing? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Close the light so they don't see us. Great form. Oops. How are they gonna get in? Because the door locks behind. Oh my god. He's giving me massive anxiety going near the stairs.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde.
Okay, so we got back home and it was so windy. I have to redo my hair because like it's so knotted because of the wind. I like was just struggling, so I'm gonna go do that real quick, and then I don't know what we're doing after. We'll probably go shopping because yeah, we need to go shopping.
Living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
Where are you going?
Planta.
Yeah, what's Planta?
Planta.
Yeah, what is it?
It's a vegan restaurant. All vegan food.
How
Going for
excited
my birthday. I've been planning it all year.
are you?
I'm so excited. So excited.
Okay.
Too excited.
Oh, you have to just take the mustache. That's the whole thing. I'm a master plater and you messed it up. It was gonna be clean.
Lonely, yeah, yeah.
Antes no era así, quemaba con cuero todo ese dolor. Cuando comprendí que esto no me llevaba a algún lugar y te conocí, solo con un beso me hiciste el amor. Desde eso no quería nada más.
sea como sea, siempre te elijo a ti.
Good morning, guys. It is Saturday at 10 a.m. I am about to go jump in the pool so I can wake up from my hangover. And then we leave Miami, unfortunately. Actually, we're gonna go get breakfast and then we leave Miami, unfortunately. But yeah, our vacation is over. It goes so fast.
Ya no sé, pero baby, contigo me siento bien, qué feliz yo.
You said it's freezing?
Este color son mi mejor versión, son mi mejor versión. Esos gases de voz, yeah.
Antes de party, tomar como loco. Ahora viendo una peli, apagando los focos. Sin ropita como te apetece. Vamos a hacerlo por ahí un par de veces. Ya me conoces y tú sabes que yo quiero contigo. Esa vaina del amor combinado con amigos. Es mejor eso por lo que parece. Te voy a dar todo lo que